In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TickTick and Notion using Zapier. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and ensure that all your tasks and notes are seamlessly synchronized between these powerful productivity tools. So let's dive in and get started. Firstly, you want to navigate to the specific page in Notion where you'd like to integrate your tasks from TickTick. Accessing this page is straightforward. Simply open your Notion workspace and find the page that suits your task organization needs. Having the right workspace set up will make it much easier for you to visualize and manage your task effectively. Keep in mind that ensuring seamless integration starts with picking the right spot for all your important tasks and notes to be centralized. Next, you'll need to head over to TickTick. Here, we're going to grab the link of your task. This link is a crucial part of making the connection between TickTick and Notion happen. In TickTick, navigate to the task or the list of tasks you wish to link. Once you've found it, simply copy its URL. This link is essentially the address that Zapier will use to locate and pull in the necessary data from your TickTick account into Notion. Now it's time to switch back to Notion. You'll want to paste that TickTick link directly onto your Notion page. To do this, go back to the Notion page you opened earlier and paste the copied TickTick link there. This is the initial step in creating a path for content to flow between the two platforms. To bring it all together, head over to Zapier. Zapier acts as the bridge connecting your information across apps. Log into your Zapier account and create a new Zap. Start by selecting TickTick as the trigger app. Then choose the specific action you want Zapier to perform when a new task is created in TickTick. Next, select Notion as the action app and determine what should happen in Notion with the new task. This could be creating a new entry in a database, populating a field, or anything else that fits your organizational needs. With everything set, review the Zap's configuration to ensure it's set up as you want and turn it on. Test the Zap by creating a new task in TickTick to see if it appears as intended in Notion. Doing this helps you verify everything is working perfectly and provides an opportunity to catch any errors before they disrupt your workflow. By following these simple steps, you've successfully connected TickTick and Notion through Zapier, enabling a more streamlined and efficient workflow. This integration will help you track your tasks and notes more effectively, reduce manual entry, and let you focus on getting things done. With practice, these tools can vastly improve your productivity and organization. Happy organizing!